Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. So in today's video, I am going to be recreating this hoodie that I saw made by Ralph Lauren. It's like a tie-dye hoodie. I'm just going to recreate it using a sweatshirt or whatever that I got from Joann's. So I'm going to show you on my phone what the hoodie looks like. So this is the screenshot of the hoodie or whatever. So it is tie-dye. So I decided that I wanted to try to recreate this with a sweatshirt. So this is the sweatshirt. It's just a regular white craft sweatshirt from Joann's. Hopefully it's safe enough to do it right here. I have this cardboard from a package that I got, and I just broke it down and I put a towel over it too because I really don't have a way to do this. So hopefully this is safe enough for me to do right here. I got all of these fabric dyes by the Red brand. I got red, yellow, navy, aquamarine, pink, and purple. I'm gonna see if I can make it look exactly like the hoodie, which is probably not gonna even come out like that. I don't know. But I end up getting these spray bottles from Hobby Lobby. I got 4 of them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill this up with water and the dye. I think the last time that I used some of this red fabric dye, I put salt in it because it said something about the best results you can put salt. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna fill each spray bottle up with a fabric dye. And I think I'm just gonna like spray it directly on the sweatshirt. Hopefully that works. I have no idea. This was the only way that I could think of to kind of make it look like the picture. So that's what I'm gonna do. And instead of just spraying it directly on this dry sweatshirt, I think I'm actually going to rinse it under some water and let it be a little bit damp and then spray it on there. Okay, so I filled up each of my spray bottles with the dye. I filled it up with water, a little bit of salt, and then obviously the dye. So this one is the purple. This is the fuchsia, the yellow, and the aquamarine. I did get my sweatshirt a little bit damp so that the dye can absorb it a little bit better. And so I'm hoping that these spray bottles will work just by me spraying them. So obviously I'm gonna be spraying it front and back. And so I think I'm gonna start with the teal, not teal, yeah, the aquamarine color. And I'm just going to spray it and see what it does. Oh my gosh, I think this is gonna come out cute. Y'all, I think I'm on to something. Okay, so now that I sprayed my entire front side of my sweatshirt, I'm just gonna go back in and kind of spray it a little bit more just so I can have just a tad bit more pigment. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like right now. Obviously, I still have to turn it and do the same exact thing to the back side of it, but I'm just showing you all what it looks like right now since I've finished the complete front of it. So I'm gonna do the back side and then I will come back when I've done that. And yeah, okay guys, so I am all done. So I did the front and the back, and I'm just gonna let this sit for about an hour. It is 7:58 right now, so I'm just gonna let this sit until about 9 o'clock. Obviously, when I wash it, it's gonna be lighter in color, but I'm hoping that there's still a good amount of pigment as well after washing it and throwing it in the dryer. So I will return after letting this dry. Okay guys, so this is the next morning and this is the final product of the sweatshirt. Oh my gosh, it came out really cute. I absolutely love it. It came out the exact way that I wanted it to, and it does look quite similar to the Ralph Lauren hoodie that I tried to recreate. I could have at least got more of like the creases where those seams are just a tad bit more, because it is like showing a little bit of white right there. Other than that, it still looks pretty good. You can still see like a little bit of whiteness with the yellow and some of the blue. What I might do though is, I could still kind of go in and fill in those spots. They're a little bit white, and just let it sit again and rewash it and all of that stuff. Cause this dye, it actually sits very well, just like those biker shorts that I've made where I've dyed them. Like, they're still a really good pigment. I've washed them countless number of times and they have not faded. So that's one thing I like about the red dye. It looks really good. One thing I will say though is, if you don't have a proper kind of setup as far as dyeing, I did not have a proper setup. So what I did was I kind of just laid down some cardboard and a black towel, and obviously I used a black towel because you can't see anything on a black towel or anything like that. So that's why I used a black towel. So that's what I did. So if you don't have a proper setup, you can kind of do what I did, or you can lay down like some newspaper as well, stuff like that. I did get a little bit of dye on my carpet. Not much at all. If that do happen to you, what you can do is mix in a bowl or a cup some water, Dawn soap, and some white vinegar, and just kind of pat it until the dye comes out. That's what I did, and I can't even tell that I got any dye on the floor. But like I said, be really careful when it comes to dyeing any clothes, anything in general, if you don't have a proper setup or anything like that. So yeah, this is my sweatshirt, and I think it came out really cute. I will be making more of these because it was really fun, super easy and quick to do. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.